Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This morning I'm going to do banana and plantain bread. Somebody have requested banana and plantain bread. So okay, you see my bananas? They are well speckled. And when you have all this banana, the cake come out so perfect. And here goes my plantain, well ripe. So guys, I'm going to put everything in my container and I'm going to crush these. So I put my banana in my container. I'm not overpowering the banana, but the plantain gonna make it look taste so perfect. Okay, and I'm gonna use a fork. And if you don't want to use a fork, if you have electric, you can go ahead. I just like to crush with my fork. Yes. Okay, crush and it look very nice, very nice. So I have in my pan here 3 nice banana and my plantain, and with it I have 1 stick of butter. I have a 3/4 cup of milk, and tell me what kind of milk is this? Lasco. I'm not using no eggs. I have a cup of sugar over here, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 cup of flour. And you know what I'm gonna top it up with? My walnut. Yes, my walnut. And I have vanilla and almond over here. I have in this container 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I have a nutmeg here, 1 teaspoonful, a pinch of salt here, and mixed spice, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, and 1 teaspoon of this is a mixed spice too, but another type of mixed spice. So, and 1 stick of butter, but my butter already melt, so I put it in a container. So come with me. So in my bowl here with my mashed banana, I'm gonna add my cup of sugar. Good. And I'm also gonna put my stick of butter. Okay. I'm gonna put everything together. You see my fork doing very good? Yes. Yes. Very nicely. Okay, I have my 2 cup of flour over here. What I'm going to put my nutmeg in my flour, my baking powder and my baking soda over here. Okay, my cinnamon and my mixed spice and my pinch of salt. Okay, rub them out in my flour here. Okay, this is looking very nice. Yes, I'm gonna add my milk. Yes, add my milk to my liquid. And I tell you before, this is Lasco. I'm not putting no eggs. And in my bowl, I'm gonna put 2 teaspoonful of vanilla. Okay, I still add to my liquid a teaspoonful of rose water. Yes, and I want 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, and I'm just gonna put a teaspoon of almond. Oh God, you know, cook it and it smells so good. Yes, yes, smells so nice. Okay, so the last I'm gonna just put my flour because I don't want to over whip it, right? Okay. All right, I'm gonna put my flour. Let me get my spatula. All right, everything is in my flour. So I'm gonna whip my, before I whip my flour in, I'm gonna put my almond. I'm gonna put some in and I'm gonna put some on the top. Yeah, this two needs to go on the top. Yes, smells so good, okay? I'm gonna take time whipping my flour. I'm gonna put it 3 times. My oven is on and 350. Yes. Smells so nice. Banana and plantain bread. Okay. Okay. And this is unbleached flour. I use an unbleached flour. And it smells so good. Wow. Okay, I just put the last of it. Nice. Okay. Okay. I think this is okay. I think this is okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. I'm gonna get my container ready. And I'm gonna use this container. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. It's perfect. It's perfect. Perfect. Okay, and I told you I'm gonna put my walnut on top. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go into my oven now, and I'm gonna bake this for an hour. I check it before an hour and see how it look, and then finish. Yes, so I'm gonna test it and see how it go. Wow, it's looking so good. So good, I'm telling you, so good. All right, let me test it and cut a slice and see how it look. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Looking good. And it tastes good. Wow! Wow! Looky! Look! Look! How perfect! Look how perfect! Look how perfect! Very nice! Very nice! So guys, this is plantain and banana bread. I tried. I'm telling everyone, try it. You won't regret it. Just try it. Tastes delicious. I'm telling you, I can't stop touch and pinch. Wow. Wow. Nice. Thank you guys. It look good, and I'm gonna taste. I'm really gonna taste. And before I taste it, let me taste it first. Wow. I just want to thank Delroy. Big up Delroy to recommend me to do this banana cake. Guy, it tastes so good. I know you told me that you tried it already and I tried it. Delicious. 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 So, please remember to share, subscribe. Please leave a comment down below. And if you have anything else for me to try, Delroy, put it down below. I will pick it up, okay? Thank you for watching.